Hello and welcome to Free Current Affairs. Today we discuss one important topic of Indian polity, that is difference between constitutional bodies and statutory body in India. Okay, so let's constitutional body and statutory body. Okay, constitutional body. The name itself suggests that this is definitely related to the constitution. Okay, constitutional bodies are important bodies in India that derive their power and authority from the Indian constitution. Okay, they are specially mentioned in the constitution, meaning they have dedicated to definite article. Okay, one article is related to the constitutional body. Okay, any change in the mechanism of this body would require a constitutional amendment. Okay, constitutional amendment only done by the parliament. Okay, important bodies such as finance commission, the UPSC, the election commission, the CAG, National Commission for SC and ST, etc. are a constitutional body. Okay, again we discuss statutory body. What is statutory body? Okay, these are non-constitutional body as they do not find any mention in the constitution. They do not mention in the constitution. Okay, there is no name in the constitution as statutory body. Okay, they are also important body due to their function. Okay, they are important due to their function. They are created by an act of parliament. Okay, and they are only created by an act of parliament. They are called statutory since statute are law made by the parliament or the legislature. Okay, since these bodies derive their power from statute or law made by the parliament, they are known as statutory body. Okay, parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the president. Okay, next we discuss next we know different constitutional body and article related to them and statutory body act related to them. Okay, so let you know. Okay, these are the example of constitutional body and the article related to them. Okay, article 76 related to Attorney General of India, who is Attorney General is executive part of India. Okay, article 148 CAG of India. Okay, article 165 related to Advocate General of State. Okay, article 243I related to State Finance Commission. Article 243K State Election Commission. Okay, article 243JD District Planning Committee. Okay, article 243JD Metropolitan Planning Committee. Okay, article 263 Interstate Council. Article 288 Finance Commission. This is very important. Article 279A Goods and Service Tax Council. Okay, article 315 to 323 UPSC and State Public Service Commission. Article 324 Election Commission of India. This is also very important. Recently Election Commission is in the news. Okay, article 338 National Commission. Article 338 National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Article 338A National Commission for Scheduled Tribe. Article 338B National Commission for Backward Classes. Okay, these are the three articles you have to remember. Okay, article 339 Scheduled Area and Scheduled Tribe Commission. Okay, article 340 Backward Class Commission. Okay, article 344 Official Language Commission and Official Language Committee of Parliament. Okay, this is very important also. Article 350B Special Officer for linguistic minority. Okay, these are the important constitutional body in our constitution. Okay, next we discuss some statutory body and their act. Okay, first, Securities and Exchange Board of India, created according to SEBI Act 1992. National Human Rights Commission, Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Okay, National Commission for Women. Okay, National Commission for Women Act 1990. National Commission for Minorities, National Commission for Minorities Act 1992. Okay, National Green Tribunal, created on the basis of National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Okay, Armed Force Tribunal, created on the basis of Armed Force Tribunal Act 2007. Okay, Unique Identification Authority of India, created on the basis of Aadhaar, targeted delivery of financial and other subsidies Benefit and Service Act 2016. Okay, Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. Sometimes asks question, okay, H, whether Central Vigilance Commission is a statutory body or constitutional body. Okay, we have known Central Vigilance Commission is a statutory body. Okay, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, created on the basis of Commission for Protection of Child Rights CPCR Act 2005. Okay, next, Competition Commission of India, created according to Competition Act 2002. National Legal Service Authority, created on the basis of Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Okay, next, now National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, created on the basis of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Act 1981. Okay, these are some statutory body which is important for your exam. Okay, if you benefited from this video or gaining knowledge from this video, then kindly like, share and subscribe our free current affair. Okay, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. For PDF, kindly subscribe our Telegram channel and click on the link mentioned in description.